I think I'll start this job without coffee!
I'll fix his hair some best with this here universal Ford tool, yeah!
And now we're just gonna add a little bit of coffee. There we go.
I need more! It's gonna be a standard or metric? Standard or metric? I don't know!
I'll never let go, Jack! I'll never let go!
Have you lost your mind?
Hi, bitch!
What you're looking at is state-of-the-art cutting technology. Look at that greatness. Yeah! eBay!
If you need a lift, there's one right behind me.
Oh, yeah!
Hello, good day. What we have here is an Isuzu Trooper. We're working on the windows at this moment. I've got 3 windows that won't roll down. Take a look yourself.
Okay, so I had 3 windows that would not move, would not budge, up or down. However, the driver's side worked. Now this is only for this situation. Now there is a board on the inside of this guy. I just had this guy apart and putting back together. Yes, that is right. There is a silicone board inside of here. Whole bunch of electronics inside. But what my issue was is that the locks button wasn't actually communicating with the board. I had actually taken this apart. There's a screw right there in the back, and you just basically pry and it pops right out like that. Okay, there's also a plate that goes on here, and on each side there's 2 holes there, 2 holes there, look like that. And to get this out of that holder was actually very easy. Okay, imagine that plate I just had. There's no screws to get this out. You just basically grab it, wiggle, 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 and it pops right out. Easiest panel I've ever saw in my life. Control panel, window control panel to ever remove, that is. But yes, so again, what my issue was is my button was just not communicating with the board. So I just took it apart and put it back together, and everything is actually working. So it must not have been making contact, and yeah, now it is, and all of my windows now work. Hello, window. I pull up, you go up, okay? Yes, yes, you go up, yes. That's the other window. For some reason, this one, the lockout controls the 3 windows. In America, usually it's only the back windows that the lockout works for. I think I just made that up. I don't think that's actually true. Anyways, hope that helped you. If you don't have any windows working, by golly, check the fuse. There is also a circuit breaker reset. And now, I will show you what the circuit breaker reset is for your window. If window no wookie and you break it, now you buy it. So I'm underneath the steering wheel. See that red button? Right there. It's got to look like that. That's your reset right there. You poke it with something and it resets. Yeah. And stuff like that. And then here is the schedule for this. You cannot see it because it's upside down, silly person, on Japanese car. Why no walk? I don't know if you're looking for this piece or not, but food for crack. There it is. Hope this helped you. I'm actually looking for the door lock. There it is. Hey. C18, 20 amps. Yeah, there it is. Hello, C20. Alright. These metal clips is what keeps this thing stuck in the door, or wedged, so to speak. You gotta make sure you put these back on when you're done messing with this. Because that is how American commodities work. Even in Japan, they work the same way. Electricity, wow. Then you push it down, right? So I'll take it off, so that way you can see me take it off. Come on. Trying to get my camera to adjust for you. Yeah, just grab it, pull up like that. And just, haha, thank you so much. And one more little tip, if you are having no windows work, no windows are working at all, your ignition must be in the on position or vehicle running to check this. Okay, and I wanted to come back and elaborate on something that this 20 amp fuse that I pulled just a moment ago verified that the door locks are not affiliated in series with the circuit breaker for the windows. I'm going to put him back. Oh, it's hard to hold a phone and see what I'm doing. Hello. Little fuse puller there. She mounts right there. See that? Right there. It stays right there for next time. But the only guy that's affiliated with the windows, in fact, is that, your little circuit breaker, okay? Just like I mentioned a moment ago. So, if you got no power, you need to come down here and check that circuit breaker, because ain't nothing going to be working then on your windows. ¿Qué pasa? Yeah? ¿Qué? Bueno. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. I spend a great deal of my time holding the camera while shaking for you to like and subscribe, so then I can feel better about my life. These are not mouse turds I'm actually laying on right now. Yes, mouse turds.